How to set up a business Outlook account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily set up an Outlook account for your business. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly from the start menu, open the application of Outlook. If you don't have the application, simply go to its official website. After that, now the very first step before setting up your business account is to buy an offer and become a premium member of Outlook. After that, the second step is to connect your domain or simply buy one if you don't have it for your business. Then after, the third step is to create your business identity. For that, you need to provide your name, and as you are creating a new account, create your password and confirm it. After that, click on sign up. Now the very last step is to complete your payment. In the first step, we had chosen an offer to become a premium member. For that, you need to complete the payments here. After you have provided your address and your credit card or any card detail by which you will be making the payment, click on next. And then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can set up a business Outlook account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.